Where are you? Gypsy! Oh. What is wrong with you? Where's your toy? That's the paper towels. Oh. Hey! You're not supposed to do that with paper towels. Where's your toy? Uh-oh. I think it's going to get crazy. Oh, no, she's mellow. Oh, I hear her. That was Gypsy burping.